it's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant in with a new spring summer product. I know you guys saw it. It's car organization. Comes in great, fantastic colors. We have the solid black, and then this is like the whisper gray that we have. Let's go ahead and check out each features. First and foremost, it is durable on the sides. I want to say all four sides. You have the handle to open. You also have this to Velcro so that it can stick to the car seat. So it's not car seat to the seat belt, so it's not going back and forth. Okay. You have the mesh right here on this side, here on the other side, here on this side, and here on the other side, and then you have a pocket. Right here. Okay. When you open this up, this is a nice sturdy flap, so you can always identify it. On the inside, boom. Nothing fancy, but just enough for you to put things in here so things don't go sliding around in that back seat. So this is a great storage solution for any car, maybe your garage. I'm sure you guys have a ton of ideas on how you can use this. If you want to see more product spotlights, you want the spring stuff, make sure you hit subscribe button. Feel free to reach out to me if you want a catalog or want to see it on your own. I will link everything down below so you don't miss out a thing. And here's a playlist that you can check out for more fun stuff.